Thank you. And whose birthday is it? The birthday girl is
I'm gonna make a panorama of them.
All right, so we are at the Kpot Korean barbecue and Hotpot. We are meeting Alyssa's co-worker friends. Got my handsome son here.
Okay.
You record me and
You're
I'll
next.
record you.
Okay.
This is so funny.
Oh my gosh, she's
Birthday girl! Are we in? Are we in? We're all in.
really bright.
The video. Thank you, Chandler.
Thank you, Hella. Oh my gosh! Wow! Look how big this place is. Oh my gosh, the big table! Oh my gosh! Okay, where do we all want to stay? So I guess we all get our own burger.
Radish looks good. Look at the seaweed. All these sauces. The crab ragoon. Crab legs. Spring rolls. Ooh, what is this right here?
It tastes like the Japanese salad. That is a new one. Look at my little mushroom.
Oh, that's cute. Alright, I've got this crab legs that I'm going to put in my hot pot. That's how this works. It's going to warm up the crab legs. Some crab ragoon, rice, seaweed, and some radish. That's what it's called.
These taste authentic.
I don't like